If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. I'm glad that we're here together. And we're just here to just enjoy good vibes and just enjoy BTS, you know? Run BTS, English lyrics. Y'all say I'm not ready? I'm gonna turn that ish up, bro. Run BTS, let's go.
Yeah. Okay. Run. Okay, let's go. 너는 한 100m 우리 잘해. 학교 끝나면 회사 갈래. 지금 바로 다 갈게. 제발 집엔 보내지 마세요. 같은 그날의 꿈.
Ooh.
Let's go.
Oh, that gave me chills. You better get those. Make it move. Move left and right. Hey. Woo, woo. Ooh. Ooh, J-Hope with the rum. I don't know about y'all, but every time when it's Yoongi's turn and he like hypes it up, okay, it's the most confident thing I've heard. Like he's gonna kill that shit. I have full confidence when he's like, okay, and you just hear that shit. I have full confidence he's gonna freaking kill that ish every time. All right, let's go, y'all. Oh shit! Almost forgot about my boba. Boba's important sometimes, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Run!
Okay, let's
Go! Ooh! And then RM? God damn. Hey! Ooh. Ooh, that. Ooh. Move, live it right, hey. Make it move, left and right, hey.
Let's go.
Run, bulletproof, run, run. Woo! It's the whole run. Run. Yo, hold up. Wait, before we go. You could, oh my god, there's a guitar riff? There's so much happening, bro. I need water. Okay, guitar riff? Who's on the guitar? Hey! That's fine. Woo! And the vocal. Make it move left and right. Oh, that's it? Wait, no way. This that song already. Y'all are right. It gets me your adrenaline up. I don't know if it's the Oh my god, bruh. Okay, let's go through like the lyrics for a second. I could like let's see this. No 100 million our place. BTS reminiscent of pre-debut first years as a group. They were living in a training in part of Seoul. In the early days, the 7-member group was living in around. Damn, that's how it is. But yo, they be living in their own places. Look at the mirrors, bro. They put in work. I like that Genius does do that though. It does, yeah. It's like a bike, literally. Yoongi. his rap skills is in a different. And you know what? The thing is that he just does it. He just does. It's. I feel like it's like easy to him though. And he can produce, bro. That man a genius. Real talk. Make. Woo. That's a bar right there too. Oh, and this too, of course. Like right after it too. Move left and right, hey. Make it move left and right. Woo, that's some song. That sounds some. I don't know. I feels like, you know, like look at this is how I picture it. Look, like I'm just like this is playing right, and look, this is the scenario. This is the scenario. We in the club. Hold up, we in the club, and then like you know. Like, let's say you in the club, and then, like, you got your drink, and you got a table. You got the best table of tables. And this, like, this part comes on. It just kind of makes me think, like, two baddies are twerking on each, like, left and right. So, it would be, like, make it move left and right. Like, that's all I'm picturing right now during this time. Like, watch. Run, bulletproof, run, bulletproof, run. Yeah, you gotta run. Yugi just kills this. And then Arm just comes in with just that swagger. It's not even look, bro. Bro, it's not as complicated as like Yoongi's like verse, but just the way he just says it and just the way it flows. Good team. Goddamn. You hot. You not. Left and right. Run, bulletproof. Run. Yeah, you gotta run. Run, bulletproof. Run. Yeah, you gotta run. Run, bulletproof. Run. Yeah, you gotta run. Ah, so good. Already. Skirt! Who says skirt? Woo! Make it move left and right. Fire. Oh! Run, beautiful. Run, yeah, you gotta run. Run, beautiful. Stop. Bro, that song goes hard, though. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X, so that joint is old school. A minute like swimwear.